Welcome again in Kusina ni Arcii, everybody! Yes, tumatawa na naman. Yes, guys, we are in our another episode. This episode, guys, this is half cooking and half baking. This is, guys, hindi ko pa alam kung ano talaga ang complete name for this. So let's name our ingredients for today's recipe. First is, we have apple. Ano to siya, guys? Nag-brown na siya, guys. Wait, pahinaan ko lang itong Nag-brown na siya, guys, kasi kanina ko pa ito na-slice. This is apple, peeled and sliced in the cubes. 5 to 6 medium size of apples. And of course, guys, our brioche. Ano to siya? Whole loaf talaga. Tapos naka-cubes. And then we have here egg. Our egg is, siya, guys? 3 whole eggs. And then 2 egg yolks. We have water. Ano lang tong water? Mga 5 tablespoon lang to na water or mga 6, parang ganon. Hindi kasi, parang hindi ko siya maubos din siya. And I have here brown sugar and mixed with white sugar. So, ano to siya, guys? 1/2 cup all together. And then we have 1 cup of milk. And then we have here all-purpose flour. Mga 5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And then we have butter. This is like 5 to 6 tablespoon of butter. Again, cream cheese with a mixture of 1/4 cup of sugar. Since wala tayong, again, vanilla extract, kaya we will be using, again, our vanilla sugar. Siya, guys, mga about 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, it's okay. It's really up to you how you manage the measurements. Parang gano'n na siya. And then we have here, of course, because this is apple cinnamon, so we have cinnamon. Yan lang. And then oven is naka-preheat na siya in 175 degrees Celsius. And first thing to do is we have to caramelize the apples. Ayun lang naman ka-simple, guys. Ayan. So, since mainit na to, we can already add our butter. Lahat siya, guys. Lahat. Kasi we would like to have a buttery something, diba? Yung makakataste ka talaga ng butter. Ganon. Apple, guys, is one of partner's favorite. Of course, with the cinnamon pa. Kaya, I decided na gagawin ko. And then, let's see if ano ba talaga. Masarap ba siya, di ba? Now, the butter is already melted. We can add our sugar. So, again, guys, you can use much better if whole, brown sugar. Wala na kasi kaming brown sugar. Kaya, eto na lang. And then, i-add natin ang ating cinnamon. Yan lang siya. And yung ating flour, hindi ko siya ubusin. Parang mga ganun lang siya. Hindi natin siya ubusin, guys. Kasi this is like, para siya, guys. Sticky lang yung caramelized apples natin. Ganyanin lang muna natin siya. It looks so good na already, guys. And it smells so good already. So, iano ko lang siya, guys, hanggang siya yung parang mag-caramelize siya a little bit before tayo mag-add ng water. And then, we can already add water. Ayan. So, dinahandaan lang natin yung water, guys. Pero, I'm thinking I will put some more. And then, we can already add our apples. And then, lutuin lang natin ito sila, guys. I'm going to need more water pa pala, guys, kasi it's very sticky. So, i-half cook lang natin to pala kasi i-bake pa naman natin to sila, guys. Yes, i-bake pa natin to sila. So, i-scrape lang natin yung yung ilalim para hindi siya masunog. I'm going to put some more water kasi nagsisticky talaga siya, guys. Pag maglagay na kayo ng ng flour, make sure lang siya na guys, hindi siya madami. Look what I did. Parang napadami ko siya kaya medyo sticky talaga siya. Atin lang tong palutuin a little bit yung apple, tsaka tayo mag-proceed for the next guys, steps. Ayan, guys. Oh, di ba? Looks so good. So, set aside lang siya for a while. Set aside ko lang to for a while. Because what we will do next is we will... Okay everybody, gagawa na tayo ng ating next mixture. Kasi yung first mixture is tapos na. So we will do the second mixture. Add lang natin yung milk sa another bowl. Ganyan lang natin. And then add the 3 whole eggs and then 2 egg yolks. Yan lang siya. Add natin yung ating vanilla sugar. And mag-a-add lang ako ng konting, guys, another cinnamon. Konti lang naman. Ayan. And then of course, mix. Okay. This is actually good. Ready na yan, guys. Ready na siya. Set aside lang to. Just like our first step. And then our next step is, we will have to cream. I-beat lang natin siya ng mga, lang naman. Hindi naman masyado, lang siya, guys. Pang tama lang siya. Diba? And then let's add our sugar. There. Oh, this will be very, I think, guys, this will be very sweet. Ayun. Hanggang lang siya mag-creamy. Actually, guys, we can use, yung mixer, hand mixer. Di ba sira? So, wala tayong choice. Ganito na lang gawin natin. Imimix kasi ito natin. Ilalagay kasi natin ito sa gitna. Tapos i-bake. So, okay lang naman siya. Hindi siya masyado creamy. So, this is our third mixture, guys. Again, set aside. So, ayun, as I've said, guys, kanina pa naka-preheat yung oven natin na 175 degrees Celsius. Our last step, guys, we will put all these ingredients together in this pan. So, i-grease muna natin. Yun. Lagyan lang natin siya sa, guys, mga ganyan lang. Para hindi didikit dito yung ating. And then sa gilid, diba? Ganyan lang. And if you want more, you can add butter. This is very easy actually, everybody. Everyone can do this. And now, what we will do next is this one, our brioche. Yung ating brioche is yung dough natin. So, ilagay lang natin siya dito beneath siya, guys. Beneath. Madami. And then, push lang siya, guys. I-push lang natin ng todo-todo. Dapat siya madami, actually. Yung parang hindi siya Ayan. I-push lang siya ng i-push with your hands. Of course, with a clean hand, ha? And the next step natin is, so, i-add lang natin siya. Wag lahat. Dahan-dahan muna. Dahan-dahan and then spread. Ayun. And our next step is, we will now add our cream. Cheese cream natin. Just on top lang. Lahat. Lahat na to, guys. Ayun. And then again, spread. Be generous. Diba? With cream cheese. We will have the rest of our brioche. Ilagay natin sa on top again. Spread lang. Spread and spread. Ayun lang siya, guys. Ganyan lang siya kasimple. Our last, guys, mixture na dito, itong milk, is ilagay lang natin siya on top, guys. So, lagay lang siya natin dyan on top. Nagbasa siya, guys. Wait lang. I need something. So, ayan lang siya, guys. Atin lang to siyang i-soak. Mga 15 minutes before siya natin i-bake, guys. For 30 to 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. And then, of course, para hindi siya mag-burn, kailangan siyang i-check natin, diba? Mag-check tayo every 10 minutes para hindi mag-burn yung siya, guys. And then, that's it. And welcome back, everybody, after 48 years. Tapos na tayo at naluto na ang ating recipe for today. It's very simple lang siya, guys, talaga, and it's very easy. Actually, guys, naluto na siya 15 minutes ago. Sinet aside ko lang siya ng mga 15 minutes para siya mag-settle down, para hindi siya masyado mainit. So, actually, hindi na ito masyado mainit. Ayan. This is our apple cinnamon brioche. Oh, diba? So, yun ang pangalan niya for today's recipe. So, look at that. Yes! Diba? Ang ganda. Let's do the na. Uy, guys, ang kalat ng ko. Ang kalat ng kitchen namin for today. Pasensya na po. So, kunin lang natin. Excited na din ako kasi hindi ko pa alam kung ano ang itsura niya talaga. Aside lang natin. Kunin natin to. Ooh! Diba? Siya, guys, nag-melt. So, kailangan ko siyang i-anuhin. Kasi because yung caramelized, diba? Okay, ganyan. Look at that naman, guys. Ano pa talaga siya guys, parang yung sa loob niya, ooh. Oh my god. Look at that. And then guys, maglalagay tayo ng apple on top. Ganyan lang yung ano niya guys. Ayun na. Look at that. Look at that. Uy, it's very, 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 very delicious. And now guys, let's taste kung ano ba talaga ang lasa niya. Diba? Try natin guys. Ang sarap. Hindi siya masyado matamis. Yung cream cheese, malalasa mo. Oh my god. It's cinnamon, apple. Di ba? It tastes ano guys, French bread din. It tastes like French bread with apple cinnamon. Ganun. Perfect partner nito is with coffee. So magpapagawa tayo ng coffee, ibigay na natin ito kay partner. Guys, this is simple, easy, and very quick. So para lang talaga siyang French bread na may apple cinnamon. Ganun lang siya yung taste niya guys. And of course, with the taste of cream cheese na din. You can also add vanilla ice cream on top of it. Wala kaming vanilla ice cream for today. But anyways, masarap din siya pag may vanilla ice cream. Guys, super, super masarap siya. So guys, again, dun po nagtatapos ang ating video for today at maraming salamat po sa panonood. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button. At sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo at maraming salamat po. Just click the subscribe button po at bell button na din po para kayo ma-notified every time meron tayong new uploads. Thank you po again and until our next vlog everybody, ingat! Cheers! Oh my god. Super. Ang sarap talaga. Coffee time.